Welcome! In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and launch your first AURA bot strategy. This isn't just any crypto trading bot. This one runs fully on-chain, directly on AURA DEX, with AI indicators and full control in your hands. Today we're going to go through a smart grid logic and I'll walk you through the entire process, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, go to auradex.io. Here you can check out more info about the ecosystem. And to go to the AURA bot from here, click Start Bot and you'll be redirected to bot.auradex.io, which is the official bot interface. If you haven't registered yet, you'll be able to do it right here. Just fill in your details, agree to the terms by ticking the boxes at the bottom, and boom, you're in. Right after registering, check your inbox. You'll receive a verification email, and this step is mandatory. If you don't verify your email, you won't be able to log in. And after 3 days, your account gets deleted. Also, the first time you log in, you'll receive your 2FA code via email. Later, you can switch to Google Authenticator or any 2FA app, but for now, your email is your key. Once you're logged in, this is your dashboard. Here you'll see a quick look at your live and demo strategies, just a quick overview of running bots if you already have one. Here you have the deposit button. On this page, you can deposit USDC to your primary wallet or any created wallets. You can scan the QR code to deposit or even top up using credit card, Revolut, or other payment methods. To show you how simple this is, I'll do a quick 3-second demo using on-ramp to fund your wallet. Just pick the currency, confirm the exchange rate, and you're done. Under the AURA's buy button, you can buy AURA's tokens. Just select the wallet, set the USDC amount, and buy. And remember, owning AURA's tokens gives you multiple benefits across the whole AURA ecosystem. So just keep that in mind. At the wallets section, you can create additional wallets if needed. You can run each strategy on a separate internal wallet, so basically you can manage multiple bots easily. But for now, let's stick with your primary wallet. Before setting up the bot, we're going to create the signal first. Why? Because later we'll come back to it and connect it to the bot. If you're curious why we use a signal, watch this video to the end, I'll explain it fully. So let's do it. We're on Solana network and we'll use the Solana USDC pair on a 50-minute trend. We generate the signal and it's done in seconds. Make sure you copy it precisely with no spaces and no errors. We'll paste this into TradingView later. Let's actually generate the bot. Click on Spotbot, Generator, and this is where the real fun begins. This tool works like a grid bot, but it's smarter. It helps you optimize entries and exit points and execute automatically. Let's go through the fields one by one. Choose your exchange and wallet. Select AURA DEX, select your primary wallet, choose your trading pair Solana USDC, give your bot a name. Here we recommend including key details in the name, like Solana USDC, $10, 2%, 2%, 300 USDC, and today's date. This helps you instantly know what strategy is running without opening the details. So what does this mean? Let's break it down. Solana USDC, the pair. You'll be buying Solana with USDC, $10 amount per trade, 2% the step, the distance between generated levels. This 2% is the take profit per level, the $300 is the total budget, and I wrote here the date, the strategy start date. Click on next and let's define the trading range. For Solana USDC, we might set the bottom to $100 and the top to $265. Here the buy or sell mode, this is very important. If you hold USDC, select buy, but if you hold Solana, select sell. We'll go with buy for this demo. Let's say you're starting with $300. You set the buy step to 2%. We will set the profit per step also to 2%. $10 per trade, that gives you 30 trades total. The signal we'll set up later will block trades when the market is trending down and reactivate them when it reverses. This way, your capital is always used efficiently. If you have $500, you can do 50 trades, but remember, it will never use the full amount because the signal often disables many levels. You will understand this in a second. But keep in mind that this is good because it keeps your capital safe when the market is crashing. We also have a pre-purchase exchange rate, which helps you get better entries and avoid bad price execution. Unless you know exactly what you're doing, leave this at default. Use demo mode to experiment with this if needed. You click on Next, Sell Settings. Here we will set a new sell for 2%. This is per level take profit. We could also set a new take profit level, but this is optional. This option is a fixed percent profit across the entire bot. And we have a golden rule here. If your step is 2%, then your take profit must be higher or equal than 2%. Click on Next. You can set it on demo or live. You can set the strategy to run once or use unlimited repeats. Buy only at rising exchange rate. This is an optional and advanced toggle, and we will talk about this in another video. Click on Next. Limit settings. This is crucial. Even if your wallet has 10,000 USDC, you may only want to risk $300 on this strategy. So you set your limit to $300. In our case, we will write here 30 because 30 times 10 equals 300. This caps the total spent. I have a bonus tip for you here. You can adjust this later from the limit tab after the launch. Trailing up and trailing down. Advanced but recommended. These are advanced features, but very, very useful. Trailing down. If price breaks down below your range, the bot will automatically expand the grid down. Trailing up, the same but to the upside. Enable these if you want your bot to adapt to trends automatically. Stop loss and why we avoid it. Yes, there's a stop loss setting, but we don't recommend using it with grid bots. Why? Because if the price keeps falling, it will trigger multiple stop losses and burn through your capital. AURA is a really advanced tool, but patience wins here too. There's also a toggle called Protection Against Stock. Leave this off for now, it's an advanced setting, we'll cover it in a separate video. And the signal. Now, go to TradingView, search for Solana USDC, and apply the UT Trend 310 indicator from Indiversum. Register on indiversum.com if you don't have access, it's free. Then go to Add alert on UT Trend, okay. Solana USDC, condition UT Trend, yes, this is good. Time frame 50 minutes, same as chart. Go to notifications, and in the webhook URL, paste the exact signal link you received earlier. So again, we're here at the signal, copy the link from here and paste it here. Make sure there's no extra space in the webhook URL. Click create. Signal logic, this is important. If you're in buy mode and the signal is on long, don't use start by waiting. If signal is on short and you're in buy mode, you must use start by waiting. What this does is the bot will wait until the trend turns long to begin buying. Same logic applies in reverse for sell mode. Launch the bot, click save. Here you can have a final overview of your settings. Click next and the bot will generate all your steps. Trading successfully generated. Now your bot is live. You can check the overview tab with the status of your bot. You can check the details. If you ever want to stop or pause your bot, you can do it anytime. Here are all the trades that we generated, and as you can see, this trade is controlled by a signal. As a bonus, recap and strategy tips. 30 steps for $300, 50 steps for $500. Never use stop loss unless you're an advanced user. Use trailing for dynamic range adjustment. Set your limit based on your budget. Review your bot anytime in the limit tab and adjust the limit setting as needed. Use the demo mode to experiment with any function. Monitor daily profits in the log tab. And that's it. You now learned how to fully set up a live trading bot strategy with indicators on AURA. This will run 24/7 and you can check at any time what the bot does. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment AURA to let us know you're part of the movement. Big things are coming. Copy trading, referral system, and more, all in the next videos. See you there.